This is a dramatic moment captured in Dunkirk, New York, on October 22, a Norfolk Southern freight train heading west suddenly experiences a catastrophic turbo failure just after crossing Worrell Road. Heavy black smoke pours from the exhaust. The crew slams on the emergency brakes and stops the train about a mile later. Lubricating oil floods into the combustion chamber. The diesel engine goes into full runaway mode, revving uncontrollably. Then disaster strikes. Flames erupt violently from the stack. A massive fireball shoots skyward like a dragon breathing fire. Look at that! Towering flames and thick black smoke engulf the lead locomotive. The engine is literally on fire and burning itself alive. This is extremely dangerous. Runaway diesel fires can lead to explosions if fuel lines rupture or pressure builds too high. Dunkirk Fire Department arrives quickly. Firefighters stand by, but water alone can't easily extinguish an oil-fueled engine blaze like this. The fire rages on, flames pulsing with each uncontrolled revolution of the engine. Roaring sounds fill the air. After several tense minutes, the runaway finally consumes all excess oil and begins to die down. The worst is over. A rescue locomotive is brought in and coupled to the front. The damaged train is slowly pulled away to safety. A rare and terrifying railroad incident, thankfully with no injuries or major explosion. Incredible footage.